How to upload a story to only close friends on Instagram. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily upload a story to only close friends on your Instagram. So first thing, just open your Instagram application and make sure you are logged into your account. And once you're inside here, just tap on this story icon over here at the plus button over here. And once you touch it, you'll be seeing all of your photos and videos. So just tap on any of file you want to share, and let me just select this photo over here. And once you're inside here, just make sure you have added some people on your close friends so that this option will appear over here. As you can see, my close friends have appeared over here. Just tap on it and it will be denoted by green color, so which means that it has been set shared to my close friends only and not to my all friends. So to confirm that, just click on this star icon over here, and you can also edit your close friend list by simply coming over this to this button over here, and you can also clear them, clear all, if you want to clear or remove them from your close friends. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.